Mga katiwala, balik po kita dito sa tuyang programa sa Radyo Veritas Legazpi, ngunya na Martes, petsa 19, kan bulan na Agosto. No? So, dali, on August 19 na. No? So, madali na mag-September. No? Deadlines kan research. No? So, hopefully matapos ta on time. No? So, mga katiwala, last time may nagapot sa kuya na, Father, what is the difference nga between a chapel, a parish, a shrine, and a basilica? Na so minsan baga madadangog tano lalong-lalong ngunyan no dakulon ang ano to there are dakulon na elevated to a shrine. So, what is a shrine? No, what is a and then of course also a basilica. No, dakulo na ngunyan. No, may national shrine, diocesan shrine, international shrine. No, so all of this, no, sabi ko sa iya, all of these are different kinds of ano to, sa ano kang structure kang simbahan, and they serve different purpose and function. No, sabi ko sa iyo, magayon na nahapot mo iyan, na magayon na maging topic iyan sa tuyang programa digdi sa Hello Fathers. No? So, kasi, sabi ko kanina, nagiging dakuluno na, no? Dakulo ng mga nag-ano niya na shrines, na diocesan shrine, and even our Horoan in Horoan Tiwi is applying to be a national shrine. So what is the difference of this between this a basilica also and a parish? So of course mapon kita duman sa pinakasadit. Na what is the difference what is the smallest? Na the chapel. That is what we call the chapel. So, ang chapel, sarong sadit, no, is generally a small place of worship, often part of a larger building or institution. No? Sa chapel man, there are of two kinds. Public chapel, public places of worship. That's what we call also na private chapel. No? Ini mga private chapel na ini, yun yung mga sa family owned, no, sa laog kang harong, sa laog kang compound, no, sa laog niya kang building, no. And there are in the liturgy, no, in the liturgical calendar, there are some celebrations that could not be celebrated in a private chapel or private oratory. No, like the houses, religious houses, no, they are considered as private chapels. No, for example, during December 8th, no, so in December 8th, no, according to the liturgy, celebrations of the Eucharist should be in public, not in private chapels. No, so even the celebration of sacraments, no. There are some, no, na nga tangay Father Day pwedeng edigdi. Dengay pwede ano to. No? So these are some discussions also in canon law, but in liturgy, no, where this is what we are talking about, no. It is a small place of worship, no, sa mga barangay, no, barangay chapel. No, it is connected to a bigger one, no. Na yung inaapod da parish. No, the parish. No, the parish is a specific geographic area served by a church where a faithful gather for worship and community. A parish is a community of faithful within a specific territory served by a pastor or a parish priest, no, and kung dakulang parokya igwas siya ning assistant. It is the basic unit of pastoral care in the church where people come together for mass and other sacraments. Na. So, iyo po ini ang parish church. No? It is a community. No? Sarong komunidad ning mga barangay. No? Arog bagangaya kang nigdisamuya sa Fatima. Na? Ang parokya ni Our Lady of Fatima. Na yaon ang mga barangay. Na? Ang North Bitano, South Bitano, and Duwang Mall. Natigwaman pong regular masses dyan sa Duwang Malls na po yan. So, the other one is at 5:30 in the afternoon and the other one before the opening of the mall at 9 o'clock in the morning. No? And sa isa lang ba ngayon, sa cathedral. No? And also, yan, another thing man po, ang cathedral. No? The cathedral is the seat of the diocese. No? It is also a parish because it has a community. Na ang cathedral baga po, it covers the Albay district. No, except sa mga sa upland. Ang mga upland kang Legazpi City from Taysan going to the upper barangays of Bangkeroan, San Francisco, and others, no, Imalnod and Mariawa, no. Yan na po sa upland, pinagbarangaan po yan kang kabanga po kan Taysan, kabanga po kaan Bangkerohan. Na so cathedral is also is a parish because it serves a community. Na? And it is a cathedral because it is the seat of the diocese. Before 1951, cathedral was just a parish. No? The parish of San Gregorio Magno. No, because it was under the diocese of Nueva Cáceres. But in 1951, no, when the province of Albay was separated from the mother diocese of Cáceres, no, the province of Albay and Catanduanes became the diocese of Legazpi, having its seat dyan sa sentro kan Legazpi, kan the centro, the Saint Gregory the Great Cathedral. Na, so, yan po. And then in the cathedral, there is what we call the cathedra. Na, yan po ang tukawan kang obispo. Sa Satuya, medyo day po siya nahiling ning maray kasi nakatagilid po siya. No, facing the altar, it is in the left side. Now you see a structure there with chair and a canopy. No, yan po ang cathedra. Now, when the bishop is installed in his diocese, he sits at his cathedra. Now, yan ang inaapod na right of canonical possession. Now, once the bishop receives this through the liturgical celebration, no, the canonical possession, the nuncio leads him to his cathedra, to his throne in that church. No. So the parish is a community of faithful, community of believers served by a pastor, and the cathedral is the seat, the mother church of a diocese. Now, shrine, on the other hand, is also a community. It's a church, but it's more of the structure. No, the shrine speaks more of the structure. It's a place of special religious significance, often associated with a particular saint, relic, or miracle. Now, siring baga po dyan sa Satuya, no? Nagkapira dahil dakul ang deboto ni San Vicente, no, in the 1950s or 70s, tama, I'm sure that I'm right, no, or 80s 90s I'm not sure kung kasaarin, no. San Vicente in Tabaco was elevated to a diocesan shrine, and also in Horoan, no, 50 years, no, we will be celebrating 50 years also of the elevation of the parish in Horoan as a diocesan shrine because of the growing devotion to Our Lady of Salvation. And other shrines also were elevated here in the diocese recently. No? St. Jude, no, kadakol ba dyan, makahiling mo dyan, Thursday, every Thursday ever since I was born. No, ang Thursdays dyan sa St. Jude, dakulo na nagsisimba. And of course, Padre Pio, no, sa Rawis. No? So, the shrine is often associated with a particular saint, no, because of it attracts pilgrims to pray, to venerate, and show their devotion. No? So yan po ang shrine. No? Once it is elevated to a national shrine, it is considered it shows that the devotion is already spread nationally. Na so dakol na nagdadya nahali sa mga ibang lugar. Na kaya yan na national shrine na. So diocesan shrine, it's venerated by the locals in the diocese. No? And lastly, a basilica is a church that has been granted privilege by the Pope due to its historical, spiritual, or architectural importance. So yan po ang pagkakaibakan mga iyan. No? So basilica, historical, spiritual, and architectural importance. No? So it may not be a cathedral, but it is it has as long as it has this four ining tulong anong ini. So mga katiwala, mabalik tabi kita pagkatapos kan sa tuyong pagpamibi kan Angelus.